Welcome, today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So first we should open the top bar here, and somewhere you'll find the screen record icon. In my case it's here. Now just to activate the change the sound settings, we should click once on the screen recorder section, and here we can see the record audio section. We can just activate this feature, and also we can switch the sound settings. So we can use in our screen recording only microphone, for example, to comment something in our screen recorder. Also we can switch it to the device audio, so that's all with the sound from our device, like music, calls and ringtones. Or also we can use this both options, so we'll use in-device audio, and also you can use the microphone. And after that, just click here to start the screen recording. But if you want to turn off all of these options, so if you want to just record the mute video, just click once on the switcher to turn off. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.